Top 4 Style Hottest Bracelets for Summer in 2019. I've recently done some research looking at what bracelets are most popular in summer. Leather remains what people are most interested in, followed by bangle, bead, then wrap bracelets. If you're a man, then bead bracelets are what's in right now. If you're a woman, then you can't go wrong with a bangle bracelet or a charm bracelet. Whatever your budget, whatever your style, we've got your wrists covered. Leather bracelet set. Made by natural material. Handmade with genuine leather, wax rope, coconut shell beads and crystals, wild and simple. The bracelet is another opportunity to enhance your personal style and top off the look you're going for, whatever that may be. Pair them with a pearl ring, necklace, and earrings for a dazzling look. Wrap bracelets. Wrapping some leather, fabric around your wrist is a great way to bring some color to the party. For a more formal, sophisticated look, keep it simple with the smaller, pea-sized beads. In this day and age where men and women are trying to make a fashion statement, from their hairs down to the socks and shoes, a bracelet helps complete your look if used correctly.